A very good afternoon, everyone. It's great to be here again, bringing the latest and greatest at ADA. What I want to talk today about is how ADA has been driving significant impact for our clients, how that is translating into financial outcomes for us, and ultimately long-term sustainable valuation expansion across. So just to go through ADA at a glance, ADA, we are a data and AI experience company. We operate across 14 markets. Last year, when I was on the stage, we were across 12 countries. Since then, we've expanded across into United States and Middle East as well. We are trusted by 1,500 large enterprises across the globe. Our shareholders are a marquee set from Axiata, SoftBank, Sumitomo, and Mitsui. So as I said, we are a data and experience company. Being a data and experience company, we deliver not just amazing experiences for our clients, but also revenue as well as profits. This is an analyst conference, so I just wanted to kick off with some financial snapshot. We've had a pretty strong momentum in growth, profit, and our cash strength. Our revenue has been up based on Q3 2025 annualized. We are $220 million of gross revenue. Our gross profit or net revenue is $107 million. That's 16% year-on-year increase. Our EBITDA is close to $19 million. That's 45% year-on-year increase compared to the same period last year. And formidably, we've got a pretty strong cash strength. Our cash balances are in the north of $100 million. And this is capital that we have for technology investment, our inorganic growth, and overall building more and more capabilities in ADA as part of our valuation expansion. So I kicked off saying ADA is a data and AI experience company. What do I mean by data and AI experiences? These are experiences that every time you touch a screen, be that on your phone, your iPad, or your computer, you're interacting with brands. This is, for example, every time you receive an authentication and a one-time password across maybe SMS, your WhatsApp channels, or maybe other channels, you're experiencing an identification authentication process. It's when you experience a chatbot. Chatbots for a whole different range of activities, from customer care or processing your refund or deeply understanding a certain product set. It's experiences when you shop online, either be on brand's own website or third-party platforms like TikTok, Lazada, Amazon, Shopee. ADA powers these end-to-end experiences across. So I just wanted to use a little bit of AI and essentially AI-generated video to give you a little bit glimpse of what does a company actually do for our clients across. So let me play the video here.
You think you chose, but the moment was already prepared. Before touch, before thought, before choice, something has already moved. Data is collected. Identities are resolved. Journeys are understood. These are moments. These are data and AI experiences. These are data and AI-driven systems. Someone builds these systems, not to replace people, but to understand them. We are ADA, a data and AI experience company. We build intelligence that moves businesses. At global scale, identity must be instant. Personalization must be precise. Conversations must feel human. Across hundreds of millions of journeys, we unlock up to 40% more revenue potential. Across markets, across industries, across moments that deliver outcomes.
So data and AI experiences range across different types. We power, for example, data and experiences through authentication. Our engines are automatically routing based on the most cost-effective channel, the most reliable, and the one that gives the highest conversion rate. Authentications are automatically routed through telco SMS, carrier API, WhatsApp, or AI-generated voice OTP, or in markets where Viber is very prevalent, like Philippines or Zalo in Vietnam. Last year, we drove 3 billion authentications for our clients across the globe, and we have 90% global coverage across. Beyond authentication, all of us are very used to interacting increasingly with AI chatbots, which have human-like interfaces for conversations. That's either to figure out what is the right product that is deeply curated for us on platforms like WhatsApp, or it is driving the full commerce experience across these platforms. So our AI powers a lot of marketing assistants, shopping assistants, or customer care in order to figure out your order tracking or your payment management, or very simplistically, refund assistance. Our AI figures out based on images uploaded if you're processing a refund in terms of package integrity. It also figures out based on your past transaction record any fraud risk that's associated with it. Last year, we drove 220 million AI-powered conversations for our clients across Southeast Asia. From chatbots, we move on to AI-driven live commerce. Increasingly, platforms are utilizing AI-driven live commerce, be that a completely AI avatar or a human presenter with AI-supported capability across. Now, generally, AI live host, the amazing thing is it doesn't sleep. It's 24/7. It's also at 1/10 the cost of a human live presenter. But we utilize both. AI is great for brand awareness because it's 24/7. But still, humans prefer a human live presenter for actual conversions. So we utilize both technologies for our clients to actually drive that. Beyond AI live streaming, all of us want a deep personalized experience in terms of shopping. Personalized experience that gives us a very curated product set. Our technology figures out the right products for consumers, automatically based on selection, creates videos on the fly in order for you to feel how will a model look like based on this curated set of these clothes, or deep personalized offers and recommendations. And once you've gone through the click process and added some to your basket, what are the other ancillary products that would fit that across? Overall, for our clients, we generate 40% more revenue through personalization at scale. Beyond personalization, we also help our clients drive a lot of commerce experiences, but also optimizing the backend commerce engine. We power this across on platforms like Amazon, TikTok, Lazada, Shopee. We integrate vast data sets from these platforms in order to figure out the most optimum demand forecasting model, inventory management, promotion optimization, and overall in order to improve margins across these channels for our clients. So these are all essentially data and AI experiences. And when we put together, it completes the full data and experience stack for us. That's across identity and authentication, that's across personalization, orchestration, commerce, and ultimately you require the data and AI foundations to actually power this. And that's what we build on platforms like Snowflake, on Databricks, on AWS, etc. Now, only ADA does all of these 4 things across the globe. There are, of course, some companies who will do parts of it, but we stand for deep, intelligent growth across, bringing all of them together, because not having identity means you don't have enough data about the customer. Not doing personalization means you're not able to optimize the whole shopping experience. Not having commerce capability means you're not able to drive all this investment in digital and AI to drive actually revenue for you. And of course, you need a scalable backend formed with the data and AI foundations, and that's what we do. So in a nutshell, we are a data and AI experience company, and we power data and AI experiences across these domains. A quick video to kind of describe that again.
Data and AI experience. Data is collected and turned into signals, patterns, the next move. AI agents that know who you are, what you like, continuously adjusting so that every moment feels made just for you. This is Data and AI Experience.
These experiences are powered through a lot of deep and proprietary platforms technologies we've built over the years. Our platforms are across customer engagement platform, which provides a lot of conversational AI capability. Its capability also to drive authentications. Our platforms also have large data platforms that aggregate data from various different sources to drive more intelligent. Now, on top of these, we've built through a lot of work across different clients and industries, very industry specialized AI accelerators for retail, for telcos, for financial services. And increasingly, we embed these accelerators to make autonomous decisions for GMV optimization or price elasticity or bundling or voucher optimizations across. Overall, we serve 5 main industry segments: retail, consumer packaged goods, banking, financial services, healthcare, and telecommunications. Across these industries, we are trusted by 1,500 leading brands. The largest segment that we serve are financial service organizations, followed by consumer goods, and then retail. So AI experiences are deeply engaging, as we are all used to on a day-to-day basis, but they're profitable as well. And that's what something ADA has been doing, is translating that into a strong, sustainable financial outcomes for us. Over the last 3 years, our revenue has increased 21% across, as you see on the chart on the left. Our gross profit or net revenue has gone up by 55% from $73 million to $107 million. And our bottom line, which is EBITDA, has gone more than 3x during that same time. As I mentioned earlier, we are cash flow positive. We have a lot of cash strength. But based on this confidence and this momentum, we have large goals. As part of Axiata 28 strategy, our goal is to double our net revenue and more than double our EBITDA during this time. I think once we hit that momentum, we'll be in quite a formidable position to drive monetization opportunity for our shareholders via an IPO. Our strategy is very clear. We've got 2 main prongs for this growth. One is organic expansion. We're going to go deep into all the clients that we serve and provide much more integrated solutions and stand behind them to drive more and more growth across authentication, personalization, and commerce. Apart from that, the capital that we have already and the cash strength, will utilize it for strategic roll-ups across certain very core capabilities, which will allow us to enhance our overall AI native capability. Now, translating this financial momentum across into valuation. We have, over the last 8 years of ADA's existence, shown a continuous valuation progression across. In 2018, we were valued at $110 million. In 2021, once SoftBank invested into ADA, we were valued at $260 million, and most recently was Mitsui at $550. Our view is, how do we double this? We're going to double this simplistically via more growth across Asia, more strategic roll-ups, and we've embarked on a global expansion which will get us into a 1 billion plus range. Overall, just to conclude, we've proven that with data and AI experiences, we can drive substantial and sustainable financial growth model. We'll continue to double down on that, and we'll continue to grow globally at scale and profitably. With that, I thank you for your time.